We all have seen Instagram videos of high contour. We all have seen people who compare and make fun of those Instagram beauty gurus. And we all have seen a natural versus Instagram makeup. But how about all organic? Do you know any? Do you wear any? Do you know how long it lasts? How about HD makeup? Do you know it used only professionally in television and film? And what are the steps to apply it? And what brands to use? Well, let's start. Let's define organic versus USGA organic. So, if you live in United States, USGA organic considered to be 100% proven to be organic with this particular logo. Some that I usually stay away are titanium dioxide, it can cause cancer, fragrance, mica, and maybe a few more. I put in description box below website. I usually check ingredients, if it's harmful, how harmful it is, and much more. Love that website, recommend for you to use it. So those are the steps for organic makeup and HD makeup. For organic, I use this USGA face wash, then use organic toner and USGA moisturizer. For HD makeup, same face wash, then micellar water and moisturizer, but just underneath my eyes. Let's start from organic makeup. For foundation, I use Omiana. It's not organic, but I check all ingredients and they look to be good for me. Most importantly, no titanium dioxide. But you can get online only, so I get too white for me, and I needed to mix with Mineral Fusion. That does has titanium dioxide, but I know later when I order a new one, I will order a shade warmer. How do I know if ingredients are bad or not? I go to that particular website and I check, I put every single ingredient and it gives me a description, what it does, what is it for, and how harmful it is. You can apply it with brush, and with damp sponge, get rid of those little lines left over from your brush. For concealer, same Amian, because again, it doesn't have titanium dioxide, and for me that's the most important thing. And for other ingredients, it looks to be fine as well. After concealer, I apply powder all over my face. Since I have organic moisturizer and healthy foundation on, I don't care what powder does or what ingredient it contains, because it's not touching my skin. And it would not absorb into my skin as well. Eyeshadow, I use 100% pure brand for eyeshadow. So I apply all eyeshadows on top of the concealer, so it sticks better to my skin. For brows, I keep them natural with Pigmented brow mascara or gel by same brand, but this one has vitamin E or tocopherol, whatever the name is. It's not always good for your skin, so I will check with dermatologist on that case, because on that website I usually use, it's not really recommended for your skin. For organic mascara, I would use fan brush first to recolor my pale lashes, but then I would use mascara brush that comes with it. But this brand can carry few types of mascara, and one has fragrance in it, so I don't recommend to buy that one that has fragrance in it. For lip pencil and lipstick, I use Bite. This brand is weird because on their website it says it may contain titanium dioxide. It's like saying it may contain cancer. So if you have a store near you, go to them and ask if that particular shade that you like contains titanium dioxide or not, because website is confusing. I have so many layers of makeup on my face that for contour, I use IT Cosmetics. Doesn't matter what ingredients it has. It's not touching my skin. Same comes to Nars blush and highlighter. It looks natural, but it would not last all day for you. Now HD. So remember, micellar water and moisture just under your eyes. Concealer primer. For your foundation, use Kryolan. This one is lightweight thought, so like your natural skin tone. Super matte, cover all area that will be exposed to camera, and even under your eyes too, because in natural makeup and organic makeup, you usually apply just concealer under your eyes. Now this step I didn't do in organic makeup. It's heavy for your skin but gives better contour to your face if you do liquid contour. Concealer under your eyes with same Eve Pearl palette. I combined two colors together. If you have dark puffy circles, you need to apply a shade that's matching or even shade darker than your foundation. Also color your eyelids too. If you want to know how to find correct colors or how to contour your face that matching your face shape, then you might want to watch one of my other videos. Now you can use either same palette brush and highlighter or powder your face first and then use your powder blush and powder highlighter like I did. I do need to contour my face all over again with NYX palette. So pigmented and it gives such a great contrast between the shades. Remember for brows, I used only gel for my organic makeup. Remember for underneath of my brows, I used only powder. Here I need to use liquid base first. You will need to set your color with powder on top of that, because we want to see highlighter a mile away. For brows, to define them, I need to use brow cream. Some makeup artists like to use pencil for HD makeup. If you use gel, as I did for my organic makeup, if you don't have much hair, then it would look like you shaved your brows off. For eyes, it's up to each makeup artist. Smoky, cut crease, light natural, it all works great for HD and organic and natural makeup, so I won't spend too much time on that. Extra step I have here is a highlighter for my waterline by NYX. To open them even more, I like that doll eye look. For lips, I'll match same color lipstick as in organic makeup, but using NYX lip pencil and Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick with Eve Pearl lip gloss. As you can see, lipstick looks same, but one of them is way healthier than the other one, and the face has way more definition in HD makeup. As you can see, pretty much both of them will look pretty much similar except the brows, but again, it's your option which one you want to do. But main difference is natural makeup will last me probably 3 to 4 hours. And every 30 minutes I will have to apply powder because it will get shiny and messy. As for HD foundation, the one I have right now, I can probably shoot it for 9 hours. I don't need to powder or anything else. Maybe just a little bit under my eyes, cheeks, but not a huge difference. For my brows, I typically keep them natural on my shoots. If you notice, I don't draw them like this anymore. I kind of like to switch in between sometimes, depends on my feel. But main difference, as you can see, it's how long it's gonna last you. Comment down below what organic products you know. I would definitely like to try them, mostly for your guys' actual makeup, even the skincare as well. Like this video, subscribe. See you next time. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.